Hey guys, and welcome to Miss Shay and Shorty Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious Christmas kitchen sink cookies, meaning they've got just about everything in them, but they are still delightful. Merry Cookmas Day 18. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me for another episode of Cookmas. These are the ingredients that we'll be using to make these Christmas kitchen sink cookies. Again, like I said, they've got a little bit of everything in these. You can change them up as you like, but this is what I chose to go with for this recipe, so hopefully you enjoy it. If you guys are ready for today's recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out, appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so here we have it. These are the Christmas kitchen sink cookies. Again, we got a little bit of everything in there. We've got the saltiness from the chips and the pretzels, and then the sweetness from the peanut butter M&ms and the white chocolate chips. So everything balances out pretty well. You get what I'm saying. It gives you a nice flavor balance of some of the things that you might like in your cookie. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried a kitchen sink cookie before. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during this Cookmas season. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys. Happy holidays.